Welcome to the Data Portfolio Builder, where we'll use SQL to turn a large messy e-commerce dataset into dashboard-ready KPIs. This is a hands-on project-based course where you'll take on a large messy e-commerce dataset and turn it into a polished portfolio case study with dashboard-ready business KPIs that you can show employers to demonstrate your ability to turn messy data into clear, trustworthy metrics. My name is Matthew Barr. I started my career in data science and over time moved into roles with a greater focus on data engineering. I'm also a certified data engineer across major cloud platforms, Azure, Fabric, AWS, and Databricks. This course is for aspiring data analysts, BI developers, and data or analytics engineers who know basic SQL but don't yet have a solid end-to-end project they're proud to show. In this course, we'll practice real data cleaning patterns that include duplicates, messy dates, bad categories, and missing values. We'll follow a three-phase path: understanding the brief and KPIs, building a SQL pipeline to produce one clean table, then computing and standardizing the KPIs into a KPI results table that you can package into a GitHub repo and LinkedIn post. We'll work inside Verilyn Bluemint, a browser-based SQL workbench that requires no setup and is totally free for our use case. The VBM platform automatically checks and scores your KPI results, so you'll know if your cleaning and calculations hold up. If you're keen to add a concrete, real-world project to your portfolio, one that shows you can take messy e-commerce data and turn it into clean, dashboard-ready KPIs, this is the course for you. Enroll now, and I look forward to seeing you inside.